What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. JD here. If you don't know me, just real brief here, I'm a six-figure affiliate marketer. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a life strategies coach, and I have been going on somewhere around 3 decades now, 29 years. And the reason I've created this channel is I've taught a whole lot of people in my lifetime how to make money. And one of the things I ran into really frequently was, hey, look, there's nothing that's going to permit me to get started that I can afford to do. And that I work a 9-to-5 job and you don't understand. And I've heard a lot of these things for a lot of years, and I wanted a solution to that problem. And so that's why I'm here with this channel. It's a solution to that problem. You've stumbled into the first day of a new series that I'm beginning by finding this video. And what this series is going to be based on is a company called HBA. And the reason I say that it's a solution is there's a $25 entry fee to get into it. That's it. There's things you can do, and I'll go into those. There's nothing hidden here. Everything's right up front. But bottom line is $25 entry fee. You can't beat that. And the reason you can't beat that is you can take that $25 entry fee and you can create a $10,000 a month income. I mean, you can create a lot more than that, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But at minimum, you can create a $10,000 income. And you can do that pretty damn simply in a 12-month period. Can you do it faster? Yes. Can you build more? Absolutely. Not even a question. So that being said, if you like this kind of content and you want to learn how to earn $10,000 a month with a $25 investment, like this video, hit the subscribe button so that you're sure to be notified. Make sure you tick the bell icon because that's not how it works. If you hit the follow button, it doesn't necessarily inform you. You have to hit the bell icon as well to be notified of all new videos coming out. If you're going to jump in on this series, I highly recommend that you do that because they can be notified right away. Okay, so these are going to be coming out, these videos are going to be coming out over the next year. Let me kind of explain what's happening here. So when you look at this series here, what this is it's the same project, but what it's done is it outlines how to really just spend about 15 minutes a day. Bottom line, if that sounds good to you, it's a good series for you because all it really boils down to is it's email series, right? Meaning that we work with a little company called MLGS. And I'll go into that here and I'll kind of show you more later. But what this video is for is to set up this new series and kind of set expectations. Okay, so I'll show you some income, but bottom line is that can you create more than 10 grand a month? Yeah. If 10 grand a month sounds ridiculous to you, like I can't even fathom having 10, that's okay. This is all very personalized. Set your goal for $1,000 a month. I'm sure you can probably imagine that. And if that would be life-changing to you, set your goal there and then we'll work past that. The other thing I want to make very clear in the start of this series is I'm readily available. I'm going to post my phone number here and you can feel free to shoot me a text. What I want to be clear on, guys, I've done this before and people are like, you didn't get back to me within 5 minutes. I'm pretty busy. I run a lot of businesses and I do a lot of things, but I will get back to you generally within 24 hours, sometimes within 30 minutes. It just depends upon what's going on in my life at that time, but I will be readily available to you. The other reason that I chose HBA, and I'm going to go into that more, but the other reason that I chose HBA is because of the owner's commitment to the people that engage with this company. It's crazy. You're going to find out that, just take a look. I would highly recommend coming to one of the masterminds on a Monday night. It's wild. I think they do something like 11 calls or something crazy a week. They've got masterminds in the morning and they've got, all kinds of stuff. But on the Monday evening calls, they're excellent. There's a lot of very successful people there, including generally the two founders. They're there to answer questions, to help you, to show you way through this. So now let's talk about it. What is HBA? HBA is a funnel builder. It's a software program, basically, and they built a business around it. You don't have to do that business. You can just use the software if you want to. Why is that a good deal? Why am I talking about it? Because it's $25 a month. Yeah, I know. If you don't understand why that's a good deal, then what you need to do is you need to look at some of the other services like ClickFunnels. I was paying a hell of a lot more for my funnels before I found HBA for all of my other projects. And guess what? There was a limited number of funnels. These are all copy and paste funnels. All of the pages I'm going to walk you through on this video are already made. All you have to do is literally just copy them and paste them, and you will have exactly the same thing set up for yourself. And there's step-by-step instructions on how to do that. I mean, literally. Click here, paste here, click here, paste here. It doesn't get any easier than that. So if you're a little afraid of technology, don't be. Trust me, I'm not a tech guy by a long shot. You can probably tell that by watching this video. But anyway, So let's move along. So this series here, like I said, it's literally copy, paste, send emails. And I want to be clear with this. I'm going to show you how to do a lot of things in these videos. And all of those things are geared towards earning your passive income faster. You don't have to do them all, right? I'm going to walk through TikTok. I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel if you want to. I'm going to make videos that you can post to your YouTube channel without my face so that you can build your own YouTube channel and monetize a YouTube channel. It's literally, I'm going to give you all of my stuff for free. That's why I'm building this YouTube channel. So I don't know if this is starting to make sense to you, but if you're afraid to jump on camera, don't worry, you don't have to. I'm going to show you, I think I might mention TikTok, Facebook, all of the stuff, Instagram, of course, right? All of the stuff. And what does that do? It slowly, I say slowly, but really, here's the thing, guys. Everybody wants something, everything so fast in our society. I think 12 months to build a massive income and not have to work your job anymore is pretty damn reasonable, especially since you can do it in an hour a day, or you can do it in 15 minutes a day, depending upon you. I will say this though, to set real expectations, when you first start, everything I'm going to show you is going to feel a little bit foreign. And until you get into the groove of just doing it and you can just jump in and knock it out. See, like I can do videos like this. I can do my TikTok, my Facebook, all my stuff. And I can spend literally about an hour and a half a day, but I do a lot. I cover a lot of ground. I take massive action. So you don't have to do all of those things depending upon what your goals are. Okay? All right. The other thing you're going to see on this channel is there's going to be mindset videos. And that's because of A, my past, and B, I think it's really important because you can have all the cool ideas in the world, but listen, if you don't follow through with them, who cares, right? I mean, you probably had cool ideas or started something in the past, but then life got in the way. That's the reason I'm going to put mindset videos on this channel. If you don't want to listen to them, don't listen to them. But if you think they would do you some good and they'll help keep you focused, that's why I'm going to put them here. All right. So if you want to take a look at HBA, if anything I've said is of interest to you, here's what you're going to do. I think I've lined out all my tabs properly. So go below this video and you will see a little button that's going to be over here. It's going to say more. Click on the little button, come down here, click this link. That link is going to take you here. You're going to put in your first name and your email. That link will take you here. And there's a video you can watch if you want to. It's about 28 minutes long. It's full of people that have had a lot of success. I'm not going to run through it because it's too long. I don't want this video to be that long. I'm going to try to keep it reasonable for you. And on that note, I'm going to try to keep all of the videos reasonable. Okay. So I'm going to try to take big subjects and break them down into shorter videos to my best of my ability so that you don't have any ridiculous videos that you got to watch. But if you're interested, for example, in setting up a YouTube channel, I want to walk through all that stuff. And it does take a while, right? But I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you how to do it for free. You know, unless you want to hire somebody, of course, then you can. You know, you probably know about Fiverr and Upwork and those things. You can hire somebody very cheap to do it. I should say cheap, but inexpensively, let's put it that way, to get it done. Or I'll show you how to do it yourself if you want to. Okay, so you go here, you check out this video, you scroll down. There's a lot of information on this page. If you just want to get started, just click, yes, I want to access for just 25 bucks. That'll put you over here. Now, this is where you fill out your information, right? Fill in your information, come down here, but before you click, check this out. So I told you there won't be any surprises. Is there an upsale? Yes, there's a premium upsale. Here's what it is. You come down here, it's free for 2 weeks. I highly recommend that everybody try this. And the reason is it engages you with the community. You'll be blown away. And that's one of the reasons. The main reason is because it also allows you to earn larger commissions, residual commissions. Okay. So it's free for 2 weeks. You absolutely, it's not a requirement. You don't have to do it. I highly recommend you try it. You can cancel after 2 weeks if you think I'm full of shit and you don't see the value, but I can't believe you're not going to. Click here, come down here. Here's your 25 bucks. It's free for 2 weeks. The premium, try it out. Go to one of the Monday night things. Be in contact with me. Something I didn't mention is on my main page, up to the right, at the very top of the page, jump over there and join my Facebook group, get involved, and stay in contact with me. Also, my number will be there. You know, feel free to contact me, ask me any questions that you have. You know, I'm an open book. So anyway, move forward. Now, once you do all of that, what's going to happen is you're going to get an email. And follow that email. Now, this is really, really important in this video sequence. I was going to walk through all of these things, but they do such an excellent job of it at HBA. Plus, I want you to get in that community and really see what's going on, email is going to take you over here. It's going to take you to the affiliate zone. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to say, watch all 4 videos. They're serious. Please don't be lazy. Take the time, energy, and effort. It won't take you very long. Walk through all these videos. What that's going to do is that's going to set up all of your sales funnels. They do an excellent job, step by step by step by step. They're going to walk through, you're going to set up all your sale funnels, you're going to set up your SAM cart. If you're not familiar with SAM cart, by the way, there's an option to buy a SAM cart. Do not buy the SAM cart. It comes with your $25, if you can believe that. That's usually another charge, but it also comes with your $25 investment. So walk through it, set it all up. What SAM cart does is it tracks all of your sales, it tracks all of your money, and it allows you to get paid, okay? It also sets up all of the funnels. The funnels, if you're not familiar with what a funnel is, that's what I've been walking you through here. All of these different pieces are a funnel, and they're already created for you. You don't need a web designer. You don't need to know web design. You don't need to know any of that stuff. These are the ones that I chose. There's multiple to choose from. The reason I chose these, though, to be bluntly honest, is they convert well. Okay, they work well. So run through these, run through all 4 of these videos, set these up, and then come back to me. Get a hold of me. Let me know that you've accomplished that part, and we'll move on into the next videos. Any questions that you have, please feel free to contact me. As I said, I'm an open book and I'm here to help. That's why I'm creating these videos for free on YouTube. Okay? I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.